It's all Clark. You turn. What's another voice? Ow! Oh. You want guns? You want guns? You go. Alexa. Alexa, pop. Okay, ready?
Hi there. It's great to talk to you.
You want done? Let's go. Let's go. Yabba dabba doo. Yabba dabba doo. Yabba dabba. Woo. It's a cop. It's a cop. It's a cop. 1, 2, 2. Hurry. 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 William. Hey, oh. Alexa, you want dance? You want dance? Alright, come here right back. Will you be back over? Alexa, you want to dance? You don't have to syrup. Alexa, okay, ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Come on, let's go. You want to dance? Ow! You want to dance? It's a hole? Right now, Leo. Hurry, 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 hurry. Let's go, stop. Rubbish. Back to work. Back to work. Look up, look. Caught me in the pool. Alexa. Quiet down it. Quiet down. Quiet down.
You Need to Calm Down and similar songs on Amazon Music.
You are somebody that I don't know, but you're taking shots at me like it's Patron, and I'm just like, damn. It's 7 a.m. Say it in the street, that's a knockout. But you say it in the tweet, that's a cop out, and I'm just like, hey, are you okay?
Alexa, turn off the music. Alexa, what's an African grey parrot?
The African grey parrot is a species of parrots from the family Psittacidae. They are native to tropical regions of Africa and are widely known for their cognitive abilities, including the ability to speak and think like humans. African grey parrots are popular pets due to their charming personalities and impressive intelligence. They are often seen as intelligent and highly social creatures with the ability to form strong bonds with their owners.
Alexa, you want dance? You want dance?